Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous April box from Simply Gilded. And as you can tell, the theme of the month is natural beauty. Now, as always, I do customer service for the box, so I receive mine early. But if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipping confirmation by the end of next week. And of course, if you're not subscribed, please be sure to check out simplygilded.com, where you can subscribe to this full box, the stickers only, or the washi only, or combine them if you would like. Now, I will be sharing everything that is included in this box, but I will not be sharing the mystery items since I don't want to ruin anybody's surprise. But let's start with the gorgeous box. So this month we are having these gorgeous kind of natural nude hues of very soft colors, a very soothing palette. We're having this like very soft pink with these hints of green, then there's silver foiling and a beautiful bow right there. And then on the side we have this very faint, not faint, but a very light robin's egg color. So I love robin's egg, but I don't like when it's too dark or bright. And then in the back here we have a little hint of the leopard, and then we have this beautiful swallow. I hope you can see it, which is a symbol of not Easter, but of spring, at least in Italy. Whenever you see all those beautiful swallows come to town, you know that spring is around the corner. And then it says here, embrace your wild. And then there's little juniper, beautiful flowers. And again, this is volume 42. So let's look at what's inside the box, and the best way to find out is by looking at the little menu card which comes with the box. And this month we're getting a fall journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, B6 traveler notebook cover, B6 stitch binding notebook, engraved gel ink pen, vellum sticky notes, acetate and vellum sheet set, and mystery item. Now let's start with the pen this time because I have it handy. And this month is a little different from what we usually get. So usually this is like almost a matte satin finish to the pen with this leopard print on a matte background, silver background. So it's kind of I would say a nude color of leopard. So it's a very elegant pen. It's got the little engraved bow in the top. It's again a 0.5 millimeter gel ink pen, writes beautifully, and I just love it. It's very sophisticated, I would say. Like, this is a way that I like to do leopard, because I love leopard, in all forms, but I particularly like this type. And then here's the gorgeous card, and we have in this beautiful leopard who's just sitting there with a beautiful bow on his or her back. It has a white, almost like a frame around it, and a robin's egg color. So you can use this as whatever you wish. You can frame it, you can use it in your book as a bookmark, or on your dashboards. Send it as a friend, write a little note in the back. And then we're having the vellum sticky notes, and these are gorgeous. So now, first of all, these are big, so you have a lot of room to play with. So you can use this in your projects, even if you're doing cards, or turn this into little envelopes. I would even fold them over and make into a little envelope, or you can use them to write notes using the let me see if I can find the pen. Actually, it's the microperm pen. Let me see if I have one handy here. Yes. So these pens, Irene included it in a previous box, but they're also available in the shop, and you can write on vellum with this. You can also write on our stickers, they're very handy. So these are gorgeous, and you get a ton of sticky notes. So these are beautiful, the same pattern with the floral design that it's in the box. And then we're getting 3 sheets of specialty papers. So these are folded to the B6 size, which will be very useful this month, especially because we're getting a TN cover, and I can't wait to set that baby up. But let me start with the first one. So this is already folded like this. So if you're using something smaller, you can cut it down, and it's that pattern from the box with silver bows embossed throughout it, and it's very pretty. Then we're having a vellum of the leopard print, which again is in very soothing, soft, little nude colors. And then we're having an acetate sheet with the beautiful swallows and the flowers. And they are so pretty, the swallows. I would even like, I think I have an idea of something to do with them. I would cut them out and use them, I don't know, as little accents. And then one of my favorite parts of the box every month is the stickers, because I'm getting so much stickers, so many stickers, and the ones that are my favorite are the weekly stickers. You're getting 2 full sheets of stickers. Now these stickers are actually available if you, let's say, love the box but you just want the stickers, that's what you use. You can buy all these things here, including the journaling card, for $10 plus shipping. And they come, if you buy it as a sticker add-on or separate subscription, they come in a beautiful folder which has the print that matches the box, so that's always also useful to have. But let's see the first sheet. So we're having one set of days of the week in the Robin's Egg color. Then we're having 5 full boxes. They're all beautiful. I love this one with the little leopard. We have some deco, we have some washi strip, we have some little flags. And then the second sheet, we're getting 2 more weeks of days of the week, and then an additional 3 boxes. And how gorgeous is that one? Oh my goodness, there's like a little leopard on a tree with a little cub, and then one under the tree. It's so pretty. This says wild and free, a little bit of icons, some checklists, some bows, some headers. And then we're getting another mini sheet. Let me find it. Here we go. So in this mini sheet, we're getting 5 half boxes, 1 more full box, 3 of the heart checklist, a large and 2 small, and then some more little mini deco. And it's just stunning. So it's a lot of stickers. We're also getting 2 sheets of heart icons. One is with the heart, with the leopard print, and so these are just, I don't know if you can see them, but they're just icons, so you can use for everything, for eating, for driving, exercising, mailing, you know, anything you can do. And then we're having 30 days of the you know, date icons, plus some more of these functional icons. And then still included in the stickers only is the sheet of beautiful bow seals that come in the patterns of the box with a silver foiling, and they're just stunning. And again, you can use them for, you know, on your planner. I use them on my planners actually. When I do washi dashboards, I always use one of those bows in the middle of my washi dashboards, just because I just love them so much. And then we're getting a B6 TN insert, and the color is just stunning. It's the most gorgeous hue of Robin's Egg. It's got the beautiful silver swallow right there in the middle. It's so cute. It's just flying there, and I just love this. It's such a pretty color, and it makes me happy. And the inside is again, this paper is very smooth and has little dots inside, and you can use all this to decorate your own traveler notebook. I am so excited whenever Irene has a chance to include one in the box, and this month when I saw it, I just couldn't wait. So it has the beautiful scalloped edge. This is vegan leather with this creamy white background and the soft you know, little florals around it. It has a heart closure in silver, and then when you open it up on the inside, it's a very light blue color. We got a larger flap, we have a smaller pocket, we have 4 elastics, and then we have a pen loop on this side, plus a little hook so you can attach if you want to put a chain on it, if you want to you know, put a little charm, Irene's charm from, you know, a previous box. They work together. So this is gorgeous. So this is gonna make a beautiful setup. So I'm gonna have this baby set up next week, and I'll share a video with you guys if you need some, you know, inspiration. And then we're having the washi tapes. Now the washi tapes come in this beautiful clear bag. It's got this nude background with the swallows and the roses in white. And the washi, if you would like to purchase just the washi, you can purchase the washi only sub, and it will come with all the washi in the box, plus the 5mm add-on plus a journaling card for $21 plus shipping. Now, if you only subscribe to the full box, you're only going to get this washi. So if you want the 5mm add-on, it's available for another $6 additional dollars. Now let's look at the washi. So we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls of washi, and this is the most stunning nude. I think the nude color is one of the hardest colors to do right, to me at least, because I can never find the perfect hue, and this one is just perfect. It has these beautiful silver bows on it, and it comes in the 15mm with the matching 10mm, so you can use them, you know, in your layouts. And then we have this gorgeous 15mm, which is a neutral, the same neutral leopard that we saw before. Let me open it because of course I can never find a way to open it once I'm starting to film. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful print. There we go. So it's a very soft background, almost like a creamy white, and then it has the soft leopard print on it. And then we're getting one of these, another 15mm, and this is a floral with a white background. It has little teeny tiny, I don't know if you can see them, they're little teeny tiny swallows and little teeny tiny bows and stars that are in silver foiling. This is gonna be you know, kind of hard to see because it's such a soft palette, but let me see. There we go. I managed to open it. Success. And this is the daily struggle. Let's open the washi without taking 2 hours. And then you're getting 2 additional washi tapes. So they come packaged as one, but they're 2. One is this 10mm of the headers. So we're having to pay this week, next week in silver foiling, and these also have a little already, they're ready for you to use in the sense that they're pre-cut, so you just rip them up and they fit perfectly the size of your headers if you're using an Erin Condren planner. And then we're having this other gorgeous beauty, which is a soft pink. I would say this is a 7mm. Don't quote me because I am terrible with sizing. But it's a very soft pink with these beautiful little bows. The bows are kind of like an, you know, like, I don't know, kind of, they remind me of a Victorian bow. They're so pretty in silver. And then if you love the 5mm size, again, you can order the 5mm with set, which comes with the washi only. And this time we're getting 4 5mm. We're getting this beautiful robin's egg, little scattered hearts with little stars. Then we're getting another little bow with the, it's basically a miniature of the 15mm. And then we're getting the silver background with little stars, and then a nude little I can't remember what this is called, but it's just you know, little hearts and little leaves. There we go. Let me open it up so you can tell. So it's just pretty, super pretty. And this is it, guys. There's also the mystery item, but I'm not showing it. So as I mentioned, the box is live now on the site. And if you have not subscribed, if you have any questions, please reach out to me at simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to answer any questions. And in the meantime, I hope you will have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and hope you're enjoying the spring weather. Bye bye, everyone.